In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix Shopify store can't accept payments. If your Shopify store is not accepting payments, the issue is often related to your subscription status or an incomplete payment provider setup. The good news is that both are usually straightforward to fix inside your Shopify admin. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you are in, go to Settings and then Open Plan. This is where you can confirm whether your store is currently on an active paid subscription. Shopify stores on a free trial may not be fully set up to process live payments, so this is an important first thing to check. If you see that your store is still on a free trial, select Pick a Plan. From there, enter your billing details and choose the subscription tier that fits your store. Make sure the plan is activated successfully before moving on. Without a live paid plan, your checkout may not function the way it should, and customers may not be able to complete purchases. After your plan is active, go back to Settings and Open Payments. This section controls how your store accepts money from customers. Here, find Shopify Payments if you are using it, or locate your connected third-party payment provider if that is what your store uses. Now check the current status of that payment provider. If the status says incomplete, click Complete Account Setup. This usually means Shopify or your payment provider still needs more information before payments can be processed properly. Until this setup is finished, your store may appear active, but checkout payments can still fail or remain unavailable. Carefully submit the required business details. This may include your business information, your tax identification details such as an EIN or SSN, your business address, and your banking routing details. Be sure everything you enter is accurate and matches your official business records. Even small mistakes can delay approval or prevent the payment provider from activating your account. Once you have completed and submitted everything, give the system a moment to update. In many cases, the payment issue is resolved as soon as the account setup is completed and your store is on a live plan. That covers everything you need to know.